Hello everybody. Once again, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to learn how you can build your AI control room. What is this? Just it is a practical roadmap how you can master AI tool, automating workflows, and scaling your output. So see the truth. Threat isn't AI replacing you. Understood? AI will not replace you. It is the person who is using AI who will replace you. AI is not here to take your job from those who adapt. It is here to replace the low level repetitive tasks that consume our time. The future belongs to those who build and direct automate system. If you know how to automate things, then your demand is going to more. So see, don't pay 5,000 or 500 rupees monthly subscription to the AI. Just master only three areas. First is your what? Coding, writing, analysis. Means what? You can do with prompt engineering. If you are in top 2% of prompt engineer, foundation model can replace almost every highly specialized expensive SaaS tool on the market. Just you have to learn prompt engineering. So the AI capability, metrics map the landscape. So we know that for manual prompting we use Claude, ChatGPT, and for general workflow we use N8N, Cursor, and for content creation we use Descript, Hagen, and Artist, and for deep research and specialized agents we use Perplexity, DeepSeek AI, and Rewind. If you want this individual video on each topic, you can comment below. I will create. So see, Perplexity and the comment browser redefine searches. If you are searching in on Google, then it give your general search. But instead of searching on Google, you can skip to Perplexity and comment browser. Here, just giving this prompt or this code /news review /comment review, it will extract everything. The key takeaways: stop searching for link, start searching for synthesized answer. So Claude and ChatGPT act as a cognitive co-founder. How they act as a cognitive co-founder? So see, if the data cruncher, if you upload 100 pages of PDF reports, it will extract all the important data from that. If you are a YouTuber producer, then upload your CSV, analytic data, and generate title and thumbnail based on your historical channel performance. If you are live optimizer, upload photos, ingredient, which will generate macro optimized meal for you, which is very much best for your fitness. If you are negotiator, use voice mode to role play tough salary negotiation or difficult conversation before they happen. Never forget a meeting or lose a workflow again. If you are in meeting, you're thinking, is if that recording should I, if that meeting recording should I get, then I can find out the problem what the client is facing very easily. You can use Granola and Rewind. You can use Granola high. How? Run ambiently in the background in Zoom meeting, automatically aligns your brief handwritten notes with the full meeting transcript to generate perfect context and action team. How you can use Rewind? Record your screen while executing a task. You are executing a task, it will record your total screen. Operate producers document to train others to recall your own process. Once you record it, give to your team member. They will see and they will learn. So see, here's your foundation of what? Content engine. This era is for content creation. So how you can master your content or how you can become a professional content creator. So here is the foundation. Once you master daily prompt and searches, the next step is scaling your output. AI allow solo creators and small businesses to operate with the firepower of a full media production. So see, previously video editing was also demand, today also in demand, but previously we are doing manually the old way. See, in the left side you are given old way, in right side how you giving only prompt and it will create your total video editing. Means it will do total video editing of your video. Just you give raw footages, it will completely do video editing. See, only you have to learn prompt engineering. If you want to learn prompt engineering, you can comment on this video. I will prepare a free course on it. Okay. So see, digital twin decouple your output from your physical time. What is this? You don't know agency system where you give your own video, on audio. It both combine and create a Hagen engine. Means a Hagen video, there you will what you do, it will analyze your video, analyze your audio, and create your clone. That clone will help you to create maximum different types of video, like generate 1 minute video. It will create YouTube video, and it will also do viral animations. So how you can create audio generation achieve perfect human fidelity? So see, podcast and audiobooks, automate ad reels, and custom music. So upload your PDF, select a host and guest voice to generate a dynamic conversation podcast. Then automate, how you can automate? Use your clone voice model to automatically generate sponsor ad reads from text script without recording. And then at last, give a music. I know this video is going to be little bit boring. No, it is not boring video. It is a informational video. Lots of information there. That's why you're feeling bored. If you like the video, please comment below. I like the video, and also don't forget to subscribe. So high-end video production requires idea, not millions. See, 6 months of ad agency plus $1 million equal to one commercial setup. It's a traditional part. But what the artistic part? AI toolkit, like 5 days plus in-house plus a few $1,000 and 3 parallel concept. Nano Banana for video creation, Flux for script or something, and your Vio for video, and Sora for video creation. So here your content or creator diagnostic toolkit you can use in daily life to save lots of time. Like category for video editing, you can use vidIO. For pro upgrade, you can use Descript. For best use case, long form and podcast video. If you are creating a voice of your, use Fish Audio, use 11 Lab, use Pro podcast and audio books. If you are creating video as well as image, you can use WAP AI, Artlist, and all-in-one prompt kit. Avatars, if you are creating your own avatars or others avatars, you can use basic chatbots like Hagen and Digital Twin. So see, now moving typing prompt to building system. How much prompt you will type? This lengthy prompt. You have time now. I came here to save your time. So how you can save time? So see, by using your N8N workflows. So here, 1 second a new client email received, it will process, it will extract the important messages from there, and it will provide you in the Google Sheet or in Gmail. Then if you connect your API as an app without writing a single line of code. So see, one real automation example also I am giving you. This automation you can try and you can make money. I am telling you. So see, a Portugal relocation business. I have did this project. So see, I generated a legal document for expand manually, took hours per client. Means for legal documents, for one client it took nearly 1 hour, 2 hours daily. You are thinking, I saved their time. I created 18 node N8N workflow integration which postmark, Paperform, and Stripe and Airtable, only using these all things. What are the outcomes? Instantly auto generated power of attorney, PDFs, and tax IDs upon payment, turning a manual consulting gig into a high scalable multi-$1,000 automated business. See, outcome. So vibe coding, you know that about the vibe coding, just you give prompt, it will build app. If just give prompt, it will create means what? Website. So many things, just it depends on how you are prompting. If you want that prompt for which you can create various type of amazing websites, amazing SaaS app, I have provided a link in description, go and surely check it out. So see, just give build a dashboard app which will pull YouTube analytics created. How easy it is. Now frictionless input. If you are tired of writing lengthy prompts, then here is your solution. You can use Whisper Flow. Just give your shortcut and speak what you want in your prompt. It will analyze it. It will analyze it and it will show the content creation. Okay. So see, the gap between beginners and the master is mindset. How you think? The beginner mistake what do? Free AI will replace them. Pays for 50 specialized rapper app, type basic 5-word prompt and uses AI as a Google alternative. But master mindset what? Knows AI, replace tasks, not people. So master a foundational model, fits AI CSB, fast data and systematic framework, which will also build automated system. So AI is a modular production team, not just software. So you can use production team, co-founder and the tutor. So here complete brainstorm given. So here 30-day plan also I provided. 1 to 10, what should you do? from 11 to 20 what should you do, from 21 to 30 what should you do. So your control room is here. If you want this PDF link also, link in the description. So for today this much. We'll meet on next video. For that, bye.